Hello friends, welcome back. I am Rehman Bhamani. Today we are going to learn about candlesticks and this is the first part of candlesticks. If you are a beginner, then let's start away right now. In this I'll just cover the basics of candlesticks. You must have seen the candlestick like this. This is called a candlestick, and if the color is green, it indicates that it is going up, and it is also called as bullish candle. The part which is filled with green is called body. The arrow which I have put is only for your understanding. Normally there won't be any arrow in this candlestick. So this green part is called the body. This upper line and this lower line is known as wick, or they are also known as shadows. Okay, so this is the body and this upper line and lower line are known as wick. So in our example, let us say the opening price is 90, the high is 110, the low is 80 and the close is 100. So this, the uppermost point of the candle is the high of the candle, which is 110 in our case. And the lowermost point, which is this point, is the low of the candle in our example. And since this is a green candle, so this will be the opening point from where the candle has started, and this point is the closing point. So candle starts from here and ends here, and this is filled with green. Always understand that the part between opening and closing will always be filled with green if the candle is moving up or it is a bullish day. So if you see a green candle, that simply indicates that the closing price is higher than the opening price. Now let's move to bearish candle or red candle. In this red candle, this indicates that the price is moving down, and this part which is filled with red is known as body of the candle. And same, this upper line and this lower line are known as the wick of the candle. Let us take this example. So the opening is 100, high is 110, low is 80, close is 90. Again, the highest most point is known as high of the candle, which is 110, and the lowest point is known as low. The main difference in red and green is, in red the opening will be here, but in green the opening will be here. So the red candle moves from up to down, and this will be close. So red candle moves downwards and green candle moves upwards. This is open and this is close in red candle. In green candle it will be reverse. This point will be your open and this point will be your closing. Simple. Now let us look at the summary. So this is a green candle and this is red candle. Now you can simply say that in green candle this was the opening price and this is the closing price. In red this was the opening price and this is the closing price. Okay, this is open, this is close, and this is high and this is low. In red candle this is open, this is close, and the high remains the same and the low remains the same. High and low is very simple to understand. The highest point of the candle is known as high and the lowest point of the candle is low. The only thing you have to understand is opening and closing. So in green it is moving upwards, in red it is moving downwards, and this part which is filled is known as body and this line part is known as wicks. Guys, this was just the basics of candlesticks. I will be covering different type of candlesticks in my future videos. Do keep watching. If you like my videos, do hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will receive all the future notifications. Thank you.